To connect Perplexity to Gmail is fairly simple. All you're going to do is simply open up Perplexity, and then on the side panel, you're going to go ahead and select Customize. From here, you should see the section for connectors, so go ahead and select it. And then under Search All Connectors, you're going to just type in Gmail and search. So from here, you should see Gmail with calendar, so go ahead and select it like so. So you're going to tap on this plus icon like that. Then confirm that you wish to add the connector. So you can see all of the permissions that you can give, such as allowing and disallowing certain tasks. So you can go ahead and do all of that and then select add connector. This will then open up a new window that will ask you to sign into your Google account to confirm that you've successfully connected. Do give the necessary permissions when prompted as well. So you can see here, it's asking what it can access. So you can go ahead and give specific access for different items and then just tap on continue and the page will now close automatically after you've finished. So you can see here there's a check mark that's been added and your email letting you know you've successfully connected Perplexity AI to Gmail as well as your Google Calendar app. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.